Guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So first of all, I'd just like to wish everyone a very happy Eid Mubarak. I hope everyone is having a fantastic Eid with your family and friends. So today I've actually come to Asda to get a bit of shopping today because obviously we have family coming around today later on in the evening. So we came to get some soft drinks. So let's go inside and let's get these soft drinks. So here we enter Adha, guys. So got a bit of fruit and veg this side. This pack of Coca-Cola, you get 24 inside. It is original taste and it's delicious and refreshing. So let's pick this up. Also guys, I tell you what, I'm going to grab myself a pair of rushes for the kids. They'll enjoy this. Let's grab one of these, and also I'll grab Lindor. Let's get this as well. Here you got a variety of chocolates here to choose. Different kinds of chocolates. A bit more this side. On this side we've got all the biscuits. Chocolates again. Right then guys, shopping is done. Got my Coke, I've got my chocolates. Let's go home, let's see the family, and let's have a delicious food. Right then guys, so we've got our food, Eid food on the table today. So what we got today, we got pilau rice with chicken curry and potatoes, and we also got chaat today, and we also got roast chicken with seekh kebabs. Wow. Now I can't wait to try this. Obviously and my wife have made all this food today, so I can't wait for it. So let's start off with the rice. Right then guys, so here we are. We're going to get our pilau rice. Look at that. Very nice. Nice and soft. The rice is, it's nice and hot, and plenty of taste coming out of that. You can taste the spiciness as well, which is nice. Wow. Let's give the potato a taste as well. Look at the potato, well cooked. Spot on potato, really good. Seekh kebab now. See the herbs and spices there as well. Right, let's give it a taste here. Seekh kebab is very meaty, and there's plenty of flavours coming out of that as well. But what I can say, it is you could take a bit of kick in this. As you can see, there's herbs and spices in that. You wash it down with the orange juice. When you do that, it's a bit spicy. But it was really nice. Right, let's give this a roast chicken a taste. What I can say with this seekh kebab is try cutting the spice a bit down, because it is spicy. Right, let's give this roast chicken a taste. Look at that. Really nice. Roast. You can feel all the masalas which is on this roast chicken. The chicken's well cooked as well, I will say, and it's very mild. It's not spicy. It's very mild. So far so good. Really enjoying it. So far so good. Right, let's give this chaat a taste. Chaat. This is my wife has made this chaat today, so I'm gonna have a taste of this. Oh, that's very nice. Wow. So I'll show you guys what's in this chat. You've got potatoes, you've got onions, you got a bit of spice, and you got tomatoes as well. So a bit of mixture with everything inside. So guys, overall guys, the food has been phenomenal. Mum's cooking, wife's cooking has been phenomenal, amazing. I totally loved the food today. Very tasty it was, as always. As you know, home food is the best food. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everybody enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.